Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to see your subscribers on YouTube on phone. For that you need to open any of your browsers that you are using in your mobile device, and then in the search bar you simply need to search for youtube.com. After that you will have to make it as a desktop website. For that you will have to click on the three dots if you are using the Chrome browser, or if you are using Microsoft Edge, then you will have to tap on the three horizontal lines in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Here you will be able to see the option of desktop site. So you will have to select the option of desktop site, and then you are going to view your YouTube like this. Now over here you need to click on your profile icon in the top right hand corner, and then you need to tap on YouTube Studio. After that you will be landed on your YouTube Studio, where you are going to see this recent subscriber section, and this is how you can easily see your subscribers on phone. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.